into the prep zone for a volleyball playoff matchup. It's number 11 Covington at home against number 22 Ponchatoula. So 11 would be what, twice as good as 22? It's the playoffs. Last time they played, they went to 5 games. The winner advances, the loser goes home. Pre-game with Coach Adams. Coach, you're the 11th seed. You've had a good season. Talk about your seniors. Give us the rundown on that group.
This is a fun group, Tiger. I've had these kids for 4 years. They've basically all started for 4 years. So this 5 group of girls, they have some dynamite when they're together and they play well. You know, I have 2 twins that both can just pass the ball like crazy. A great setter. You know, and two hitters that are fairly good hitters. You know, Zonese Parker is one of the premier hitters in the state. So to me, this is a great group of kids, and they've been so much fun. I've really enjoyed this group. Well, the payoff for your team and for your players is a high seeding, 11th. They're 22nd, and just a minute ago I did my stand-up and I said 11 versus 22. That means 11's twice as good as 22, but I said no, it's the playoffs. Anything can happen. What are you going to tell your girls that they need to do to win? They have to pass the ball effectively, and we have to run offense. You know, they've got to serve aggressively, but they have to pass effectively, and we have to run offense. You know, and they play there. If we play our game, we're in good shape. We just have to control tempo. As long as we control tempo, we'll be in good shape. We are pregame with Coach Lauren Long for Ponchatoula. Coach, first time your team's been in the playoffs in 5 years. How does it feel? Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. The girls are excited. The whole community is excited. It's a great thing. It really is. Yes, sir. This is the first time we're getting to see you. I know that y'all went 5 games the last time that y'all played. Tell us a little bit about your team, because this is the first time we're getting to see them. Yes, sir. We have, we're pretty young, actually. We have 1 senior, and the rest are pretty much juniors and sophomores and freshmen. But pretty much if we minimize our mistakes, we feel like we can compete with anybody. So the key tonight for us is to minimize our mistakes, make sure we have good passes. And once again, this is a great rivalry. It's been a great rivalry for the past several years, but just really excited about tonight, and I think you're going to see a really great match. It's the LHSAA Division I volleyball bi-district playoff match between the number 11 seed, the homestanding Covington Lady Lions, taking on the visiting Ponchatoula Lady Green Wave here in Covington. Donna Montgomery to serve it up, and the first point of the match goes to the Lady Lions. This is set number 1. Best 3 out of 5 sets for the game. Montgomery to serve. And the Lady Lions pushing out 2-0 early. Lady Green Wave have not been in the playoffs in 5 years. Got to get something going. Larmew sets that one up, and it goes into the net. Zebra netted that one, 3-0. And there may be a little, it's playoff time, people. Maybe a little playoff jitters early. Montgomery on the serve. Parker. You got a violation by the referee. Possibly a double hit. Point to the Green Wave, Lady Green Wave. Parker blocked by Larmew. And Ponchatoula, Lana Larmew with a nice block there in the middle. The 5'9" junior. Good play. Jenna Reno on the serve for Ponchatoula. Wow, good effort over there. Almost saved that one. Point to Covington, 4-2. Hallie Stewart, one of the seniors mentioned by Coach Adams pregame, one of the
Stewart sisters, Hallie and Holly, 4-year starters here. This is old hat to them, 5-2 lead with Hallie serving. Zeber with a big hit for Ponchatoula. Parker keeping it alive. Larmew gets it over. Quick set for Parker. The Z factor. Zanice Parker on that one makes it 6-2. And we have our first timeout in set number 1 with Covington up 7-2 over the Lady Green Wave from Ponchatoula. Hallie Stewart to serve. Coming out of the timeout, 7-2 lead. 4 straight points now for Covington. Lady Green Wave score and draw within 4. They trail 7-3. Heather Lobb will now serve. Stewart set by Smith. Parker has enough power to get it over the block and falls in. Point. 8-3 now. Covington. Giselle Callahan checks in and she'll serve. Both teams fired up about being in the playoffs. You should be. You earn the right. You got to play hard. Nice hit there from Sydney Zeber. Right down the middle. Zeber with some levitation and a big bang gets her team within 4. Parker. Ponchatoula keeping it alive. That's something that they definitely need to do. Stewart off the back line catches the tape. Zeber. Nice dig by Montgomery. Parker into the net. That's 4 hits. Eight, 5. Stedman on the serve. Zeber keeps it alive. This is Parker. Took a little something off that, was blocked, still in play. Backhand hit by Madison LaRocca. And sometimes the easiest hit gets the point. Parker now is rotated back, she'll serve. Zeber, Stewart with the save, Smith with the set, and that one's blocked, but they couldn't get it back over. Sydney Zeber to serve. Stewart, Smith, and Siraj. Cassie Siraj with a good move. Caroline Smith on the serve. Zeber. Dump play there by Naps. Parker gets it over. Naps sets. Nice diving, good save by Ponchatoula. LaRocca gets the point for Covington. 11-6. Caroline Smith to serve. Reno gets it over. This is Parker from the back line. That's it. 4-point lead for Covington. Larmew checks in, and Landesh 2. Lobb and Hamilton check out with Kaylin Landesh to serve. 4 points down are the Lady Green Wave here in set number 1. The official checking some rotation, I believe, I'm guessing. Make sure everybody's in the right spot at the scorers table. All right, back to the action. Stedman to serve. There were some questions about rotation by the Lady Green Wave. Some personnel were moved around and game back on. No score change right there. Siraj with another nice hit down the left side. Puts her team up 12-7. Holly Stewart now, the libero, defensive specialist. She's in a different colored jersey than her teammates, which means she's got to play on the back line only. Parker. Hamilton got her hands on the block. Zeber. Diving save by Hallie Stewart. Dump play. Siraj took a little something off of it, but Hamilton was there for the block. Hamilton and Naps. (12-8). It's set number 1 of the LHSAA Division I Volleyball Bi-District Playoffs. 32 teams in this. Siraj finishes again. 32 teams are in this. After tonight, there'll only be 16. You have to win this game and then another game on Monday to go to the actual tournament where the quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals are played. And that's out. Service error. Unforced service error that time by Covington. 13-9, 4-point lead for them. And the early going, you could sense that the Lady Green Wave had a little jitters, playoff jitters, but they put that behind them. And it's been pretty even since about 6-2. So it was actually 7-2, so they've cut into the lead by Covington. And again, we have some questions about rotation. Landesh on the serve. Parker, Landesh, nice dig. Set. Reno keeps it alive. Parker took a little off of that one. Nice diving play by Reno. Ponchatoula with the point. It was Stedman with the diving play, not Reno. And the point goes to Ponchatoula. So down 5 points. They're within 3 now at 13-10. Kaylin Landesh on the serve. Parker. And that's a finesse part of the game. Sometimes you don't have to power it to score a point. Just got to get it over. Hallie Stewart and put it where they ain't. Stewart on the serve. Stedman. Larmew knocks it over. At the net, still alive. Parker off the block. Larmew clears it. Stewart. Smith and Stewart into the net for a hit. Point to Ponchatoula. They trail 14-11 in the first set. Ashley Knaps on serve. Wow, that was just sheer reaction right there to keep that one alive. It appeared that serve had handcuffed Covington, but a good effort on the dig and then a reaction gets Covington the point. And they have an unforced service error. Giving the ball back to Reno to serve. Jenna Reno. Parker with a big hit. Siraj checks in. Montgomery checks out. Zenise Parker back to serve. Pop that one up. Big hit from Stedman. Makes it 16-13. Larmew out, lob in. Hamilton in, and Landesh out for Ponchatoula. And Heather Lobb will serve. Siraj, Zeber, Hamilton, and a clear. Again, not the big hit, but Siraj has gotten some points here, some kill points during her time on the court, which has been invaluable. It's enough, I know, for the lead, if not more. 17-13 Covington. Smith on the serve. Zeber with that kill attempt. Siraj off the block earns her team a point. 18-13. Caroline Smith serving. Zeber. Siraj. Zeber again, that time into the net. Timeout by the Lady Green Wave. They trail 19-13 here in the first set. Smith to serve coming out of the timeout. Zeber dinks it. LaRocca roofs it. Two easy hits and a point for the Lady Lions. They're up 7 here in the first set. Smith on the serve. Stedman misses on that one. 21-13. Smith to serve again. Zeber clears it. Siraj. Good dig by Reno. Got a call for a second hit. Got called for a double hit. 22-13. Caroline Smith. Another unforced service error. That's 3 for Covington in the first set. Lauren Stedman rotates back. She'll serve. Stewart clears. Zeber. Smith with that dig. That one's out as it went on the wrong side of that antenna, red and white antenna at the net, which is considered out of bounds. 22-15. Covington. Baraka into the block. Zeber cannot play it out. 23-15. Callahan checks out. Douglasha Hamilton checks in for the Lady Lions. Holly Stewart to serve. Siraj into the block. Stewart, Parker, and Siraj again. Goes deep. Reno, Zeber, and now Hamilton. Siraj giving her team a big lead, a big lift here in set number 1. Has been a force. Hannah Gomez checking in, and Heather Lobb checking out for the Lady Green Wave. They trail 24-15. It's set point here in the first set for the Lady Lions. Stewart. And that is the first set, and it goes to Covington, 24-15. Second set underway with Landesh's serve. Parker. Good save by Ponchatoula there. Stewart thinks it over. Larmew at the net gets it over. This is Parker. Good block again. Ponchatoula putting up some blocks right there. Zeber, good dig. Stewart, and Parker. It was hit. First point of the second set goes to Covington. Hallie Stewart on the serve. Reno just missed on that one. 2-0 Covington. Hallie Stewart. Parker. Zeber, nice dig. Reno and Parker. This is exactly how set number 1 started. Ponchatoula fell behind and then got back in it in the middle of the game, and then Covington ended up pulling away. Reno. Nice dig by Stewart. Quick set by Smith, and Parker puts the kibosh on that one. I got to think early part of that first game, there was some nerves going on. And but they kind of righted the ship, but unable to maintain it. Larmew gets it over. Quick set. 4 hits. That one didn't go over. Larmew's kill attempt did not go over, so that ended up being the 4th hit. 5-0. Covington asserting themselves early here in set number 2. Stewart going with the dump that time, did Ponchatoula. Parker keeping it alive. Reno unable to get it over. Timeout, 6-0, Covington, second set. It's a game. Hallie Stewart to serve coming out of the timeout. 6-0, Covington here. Reno, nice hit. Stewart, Smith, and then Stewart. Larmew. Wow, good save by the Lady Lions there. A nice block by Zanice Parker. Hallie Stewart to serve. Reno blocked by Callahan. That's Smith. And Parker took a little bit off of that one. The Lady Lions asserting themselves early. Hallie Stewart, 8 straight service points. Parker, nice block. Reno right down the line. And that ends the run by Covington, 8-1. Key thing here is that Coach Adams has got 5 seniors on the court. And Ponchatoula has 1 senior. And right now that seems to be working in the Lady Lions' favor. Giselle Callahan will serve. Baraka at the net. Zeber knocks it into the net. Callahan to serve. Nice block there. 10-1. Check that, 11-1. Giselle Callahan. Baraka. And everything going Covington's way. They're taking advantage of every play they can. Waddell checks in. Stedman checks out. And Giselle Callahan will serve. (12-2) Covington. Jenna Reno on the serve. Zeber clears it over. Comes right back, but is out. Stedman checks in. Waddell checks out. Good dig by Montgomery. There's a block, but it goes out. If you block it, you got to block it in. Zanice Parker to serve with her team up by 10. Baraka gets enough on that it bends in right at the last second. 14-3 here in set number 2. We're playing best 3 out of 5 in the LHSAA Division I. Baraka, the LHSAA Division I by-district playoff. These two teams play each other in the district. They're in the same district, so they played each other twice. The last time out, it went to the fifth set. Parker's half service there, attempt to try to catch him off guard, gives Ponchatoula the point. So they played twice. The last time it went to 5 games, but it's the playoffs. It's always different in the playoffs. Hannah Gomez to serve. And Holly Stewart with a point. Covington keeping the pressure on the Lady Green Wave by making plays. Caroline Smith on the serve. And that's 3 points off of unforced service errors. Lauren Stedman on the serve at the net. Still alive. Naps clears it. LaRocca off the block. Holly Stewart to serve. She's going to run up and do it jump style. At the net, Zeber was in the net. The official calls her in the net. 18-5 now. Holly Stewart. Jumps, serve. Siraj gets it over. Zeber with the dig, and Zeber gets the set. Stewart, nice dig. Siraj. Reno, good dig. Keeping it alive. Double hit called. Point to Ponchatoula. 18-6, 12-point lead for Covington in set number 2. Sydney Zeber on the service. And a point for the Lady Green Wave. Good effort by the Lady Green Wave. Siraj took a little bit off of that, and again, another example of how just putting the ball where the other team isn't and doesn't have to have a lot of force on it results in a point. Montgomery on the serve. Reno. Zeber into the net. (20-7). Donna Montgomery (20-8). Landesh checks in along with Larmew. Hamilton and Gomez check out. Redo on that serve for Landesh. Stewart. Nice dig by Landesh, still alive, cleared over by Reno. Parker long. Kaylin Landesh to serve. Parker took some off of that. Reno had it. Larmew gets it over. Stewart, and Parker. Good save by Ponchatoula there. Parker, power. Zeber, nice. A double hit called on that. Zeber with a nice dig. Hallie Stewart to serve. Her team up in the second set, 21-9. Best 3 out of 5 sets. Parker, Zieber, another good dig there. Got to play them all out for sure. Reno, that's Smith, and that's Parker. Parker decided she's not playing that one out anymore. Zanice Parker, the senior. (22-9) in the second set. First set was won by the Lady Lions, 25-15. Reno, Montgomery, Zieber, quick set, Larmew, and a kill for Alana Larmew. 22-10. Point to the Lady Lions, 23-10. Giselle Callahan to serve. LaRocca. Madison LaRocca at the net. Pushes it out to set point at 24-10. Callahan on the serve. 24-11. Lady Green Wave in a deep hole here in the second set. Reno on the serve. LaRocca, nice block by Ponchatoula. Stewart, 4 hits. Reno on the serve. Parker. Good effort to keep that one alive, but LaRocca with the big block. Set number 2, like set number 1, goes to the Lady Lions. 1 set away from taking their act on to the regionals. Third set underway with Donna Montgomery serve. Both teams rallying right here. Nice rally. This has probably been the longest point. Zieber off the block. And Ponchatoula is up 1-0 in set number 3. Zieber on the serve. Parker, nice dig there. No bringing that one back for sure. We're tied at 1. Zieber gets it over. Quick set for Parker off the block. Good dig by Reno. Stewart just going to knock it over. Big hit from the back line by Ashley Knaps. Gets her team the lead at 2-1. All right. Stoppage in play there for a substitution error by Ponchatoula. We're tied at 2 here. Third set. Stedman nets that one. 3-2 Covington. Oh, check that. Point to Ponchatoula. Hamilton nets that one, and the referee will have a little chat about throwing the ball down. We're tied at 3. Zenise Parker to serve. Four to 3. Covington's first lead in this third set. (25-15, 25-12) have been the scores. LaRocca, good dig by Hamilton. Nice block by the Lady Green Wave. Reno gets it over. Siraj. And that one's played out of the ceiling, which it can be legally. Parker short arms it. We're tied. Reno serves out, 5-4. Zeber with a nice hit, ties it up at 5-5. Landesh and Larmu check out. Hamilton, check in. Hamilton and Gomez check out. It's 5-5. Landesh on the serve. Good job up front right there by the Lady Green Wave. And they get back the lead at 6-5, but they trail 2-0. Landesh, they got it, and that's out. And if they're going to climb the mountain, being 2 sets down, and the best 3 out of 5, they can climb that mountain. They cannot make those kinds of mistakes. Just serve it inbounds. Holly Stewart to serve. We're tied at 6. And the net was very kind to Miss Stewart right there as it fell in. (7-6). Covington. Zeber. That's Parker, Stewart, and Siraj. Cassie Siraj, a junior, has had put together some really good plays here in all 3 sets, really helping her Lady Lion teammates out. Naps with a good effort, but catches the net, and a point Goes to Covington, 9-6. 10-6. And we have a timeout with the Lady Lions up 4 in set number 3 and already 2 sets in their bank over the Ponchatoula Lady Green Wave. Holly Stewart to serve coming out of the timeout. 4-point lead for the Lady Lions. Trying to close out this bi-district playoff match. Zeber, Stewart, good dig. LaRocca, nice play by Larmew in the net. We got what's considered a jump ball, which means both. I'm going to assume that both players went into the net. So we'll have a redo. Come on, everybody likes a redo. There's some booing, but come on. (11-6) Covington. One thing I have noticed now, and that is the Lady Green Wave do not give up on a point. They may be behind, but they're not going to give up on a point. (12-6) Covington, set number 3, and they've got 2 in the bank. They can finish out this bi-district game and move on to the regionals with a win in this set. Larmew, good play by the Lady Green Wave, not giving up, and Larmew gets her team a point. Ashley Knaps now to serve. Good block by Covington that time. Siraj takes something off Zeber, good save. Parker, nice dig, keep it alive. Siraj going cross court and gets it in. A little placeage by Cassie Siraj. Donna Montgomery checks in, she'll serve. 6-point lead for the Lady Lions. Set number 3. Good play that time by the Lady Green Wave, caught the Lady Lions napping there. Zeber will serve. Down 5 points. Someone in the net. 14-8. Allie Stewart. Nice play there by Reno. Parker takes a little bit off of that one. (15-9) Covington. Giselle Callahan checks in to serve. LaRocca Zeber, that one's in the net. Good dig out of the net and save. A double hit called on that. (16-9) Covington. Callahan to serve. Hamilton. Point to Ponchatoula. Stedman to serve, her team trailing by 6 in the third set. Parker. Some argument from Coach Long. (17-10) now. Covington serving. Zanice Parker. Timeout, Coach Long. Her team down by 8 in the third set and trailed 2-0. Zanice Parker to serve, coming out of the timeout. 8-point lead for the Lady Lions. Reno, Stewart, Smith, and Siraj. Cassie Siraj has really given her team a nice lift today. Parker took a little something off of that one. Reno, Stewart, Smith, LaRocca. Naps with a nice job of getting it over. Double hit on Covington. Jenna Reno to serve. Good point right here, both teams. Zeber long on her hit. 20-11. Caroline Smith with the serve. That time Siraj is wide left. Landesh checks in and she will serve it up. 20-12. Lady Green Wave down by 8. Siraj with the runaround. And why not set her up? She is having herself quite a game. Holly Stewart. A little different approach that time by the Lady Lions, but that one is long. 21-13. Ashley Naps will now serve. Carry called on Hallie Stewart. She tried to kind of flip it behind herself instead of setting it up. Siraj with another kill. Montgomery checks in. 8-point lead now, Montgomery. That one is wide left by Stedman. 23-14. Montgomery. Zeber, big hit. Good dig by Smith. Parker blocked by Larmew. In the net. Nice point that time by both teams. 23-15. Sydney Zeber to serve. Parker took a little bit off of it, got it over the block, and it's set and game point at the same time at 24-15 for the Lady Lions, and Hallie Stewart will serve it up. And that'll end it. Stedman's hit does not go over. 25-15, 25-12, 25-15. Covington wins 3-0 against Ponchatoula in the bi-district playoffs. Our thank yous go out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foltz, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, cameraman today, Red is Sharp. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You're leaving the prep zone.